I am so excited to share with you today. I got my monthly box in from Optavia. So I'm going to unbox it, show you everything that I get in a month, and share some tips. And this is like the most exciting day of the month every month because, I mean, why wouldn't it be? Who doesn't love getting mail? But it's just like really fun to get your new box and go through everything and see what all is in there for the month. So, it's also allergy season here in the Midwest, so if I'm coughing, I apologize. It's just that time of year. No matter how much stuff I take, it seems like I can't get rid of the cough. So, first things first. The first one I'm going to show you, and I'm at a point in my journey where I really have kind of figured out the things that I like, my favorites, of course, and the stuff that I eat like daily, and then the things that I rotate in as I want to try something different. So, the first one that I'm going to show you is the Drizzled Chocolate Fudge Crisp Bar. And I got 3 boxes of these this month because, one, they're amazingly good, but also my daughter really likes them. She's 9 and just loves to have those. Everything on Optavia is safe for kids to eat. There's nothing in there, no stimulants, anything like that, that can't be consumed by kids. We actually do have a teen program, and we're actually working with my daughter's doctor to put together a plan with Optavia for her to make sure, making sure she gets the right calories and all those things since she's 9. But everything on there is safe to eat, good for them, healthy, all those things. So these are, like I said, these Drizzled Chocolate Fudge Crisp Bars are amazing. They're really good. If you haven't tried them, you should definitely put one in your next order. The next one that I got was the Campfire S'mores Crisp Bar. This one's really good. I haven't had it in a long time, but I really like it, so I wanted to add it back in for this month, so I'm excited to get one of those. And then I also this month got the Chocolate Mint Cookie Crisp Bar. This one's another one of my favorites. Haven't had it for a while, so I'm excited to have this one again as well. So, and then another one, I got 2 boxes of these, was the peanut butter creamy double peanut butter crisp bar. These are amazingly good as well. These are actually, I really like these crumbled up into a cup of Greek yogurt. Your Greek yogurt can count for half of your lean in the little cups that, like are 5 point some ounces. And then it would be half a lean and 1 fuel lean if you crumble these up on top of it. So good. I really like that I can take my lean and green meal and split it, because sometimes it just feels like a lot of food. And I know that sounds funny, like, hey, you're over here losing weight, but you're eating too much. Yeah, the lean and green is awesome. It's a lot of meat, it's a lot of greens, and it's great, but it's way more than I want to eat at one sitting sometimes. So sometimes I like to split that up, and it just depends on the day and how hungry I feel. All right, so another one that I got this month, and I always get lots of these, are the golden chocolate chip pancakes. These are so good. They're good waffled or just griddled or cooked like a regular pancake. Love these. I have these at least 3, maybe 4 days a week, so I always stock up on these as well. And I haven't had them without the chocolate chips, but I believe they're just as good. I just really like the chocolate chips, so that's what we do. All right, so this is a select fueling, meaning it doesn't come in your kit. You can add it on, and it's just like $1 extra for this box, but it is worth every single penny. The dark chocolate covered cherry shake mix is one of my absolute favorites. I make waffles. I make it like a shake. I make muffins out of it. I do all kinds of stuff. I like to freeze it, turn it into like a Reese's peanut butter cup with the peanut butter, but then it has that cherry flavor to it. Really good. I also make ice cream out of it, which is really good as well. And then another fueling, the sweet potatoes, one of my absolute favorites as well. This is also a select fueling, so a little bit more doesn't come in your kit, but worth every penny. When you have to, or whenever you go, when you add in your extra fuelings for the month, if you need more that month, that's a great time to get the select fuelings. I really like the sweet potatoes. I've never cooked them the way they're supposed to, though. I'm not a sweet potato fan. These have brown sugar and cinnamon. I really like roasted sweet potatoes normally, But these are really good to waffle, and I add a little, like just a little dollop of sugar-free whipped topping. Really, really good. And I don't always use the whipped topping. I like them without as well, but it's a nice little treat if you want to add it. Okay. The next one that I have is the apple and cinnamon spiced oatmeal. Okay. I hate oatmeal. Like, I hate oatmeal. So I have never ordered this one before, but I had a sample of it. And instead of making it like oatmeal, I turned it into a muffin. And it was the best muffin that I've had in ages. So I definitely recommend this if you like muffins. Even if you're not a big oatmeal person, try it that way. It's so good. And I've also, there's definitely other recipes out there that you can try making it besides just as oatmeal. So it's one to invest in for sure. All right, so next one that I have in here, and I have 3 boxes of these as well because this is like my favorite thing ever, the Decadent Chocolate Brownie Mix. These are so good. They make pretty much great everything. They make awesome waffles. They make great brownies. I eat just the batter without actually cooking it. They make really good muffins. They make really good frozen, like the peanut butter cups I was talking about. I do these and then the peanut butter shake on top of them. Really good that way. Good waffle. I probably already said that. Good turned into ice cream or a like blended smoothie or blended shake. Also good. So definitely need these in your box. If you don't like chocolate, I'm sorry, you're just missing out on life. All right. All right. So 3 boxes of these brownies. Definitely recommend them. If you haven't tried them, you should. And if you haven't tried them just as batter without cooking them, you should definitely try that as well. So, all right. So the next one that I like is, or that I'm going to try this month, actually, I haven't had this one before. I'm just not like, I like to have a little bit of crunch. Like I like to feel some substance. So I'm not a big shake person. Also not a big drink person. But I hear I'm missing out. And now that I've like really gotten good with my Optavia plan, I've learned how to like cook things differently so it's not just a shake. I kind of have that craving for just a drink sometimes. And so this one is the Velvety Hot Chocolate Drink Mix. Some of our girls say this one is their absolute favorite, and they drink this every single day. So I'm really excited to try this one out. And if you've tried it, let me know what you think of it. Okay. Yes, and my little one wanted to say hello, so she's joining us on our video for just a moment. Okay, so back to breakfast things. And the great thing about our plan is you don't have to have a certain fueling at a certain time of day. They are 100% interchangeable. So if you want a brownie for breakfast, go for it, girl, or whoever, because they are absolutely fine to eat at any time of the day. You can pick and choose whenever you want your 5 fuelings. But it is sometimes nice, and actually even for my later like fuelings, I do these as well. But the Red Berry Crunchy O's cereal, I really like this one. So it's kind of like a Cheerio, but just it's got that fruity berry flavor to it. So it's a nice little thing to mix it up sometimes. And some people even blend these up and turn them into waffles and other things as well. So there's all kinds of cool things you can do with the fuelings. You don't have to eat them just as they come, but you definitely can. And if you want to keep it as simple as possible, that's the way to do it. And they are all good that way too. So the Cinnamon Crunchy O's cereal. So another cereal, but this one is just the cinnamon. So it's a lot like a cinnamon Cheerio. Really good. I like this one as well. And these are good to just kind of snack on, even without adding any like almond milk or milk to them. All right. So then another one that I really enjoy, and these are great for on the go, is the cinnamon sugar sticks. These are really good. A snack too to take with you. So again, a fueling, but they're just an easy on-the-go snack without having to have a shake or a bar. It's just something a little bit different. And so those are the fuelings that I got in my box this month. I didn't add a lot of extras because I've really stocked up the last few months. I did add 2 snacks though. So I'm going to show you, these are optional snacks. You can have 1 per day on the 5-in-1 plan. Again, totally optional for best results. You don't want to add in anything, but sometimes you just need a little bit of something. And so these snacks are really nice to have on hand sometimes. And the first one I got was the sharp cheddar and sour cream popcorn. So these are pre-portioned out, around 70-ish calories. So they're great to just add into your regular 5-in-1 plan for a day that you just are a little extra hungry. I like these. And I like that I can grab and go. I don't have to make something. And then the second snack that I added to my box this month was the puffed ranch snacks. And I haven't had these either, but I'm excited to try these out because I've heard great things about them. And sometimes, like I said, you just need that little crunch, or you're just a little extra hungry that day. You don't want to do this. I mean, you could do it every single day, but for best results, you don't want to do it often. But it is nice to have every once in a while. So. And then I've also heard that some people use these kind of as a breading for some of their things that they cook for maybe lean and greens or whatever it might be. So we might give that a try this month. We'll see how much time I find myself having. Is there anything you want to add, little ma'am? No? Okay. All right. Oh, go for it. What would you like to add?
These bars are my favorite bars.
These bars are your favorite? What do you like about them? What makes them taste so good?
The chocolate.
The chocolate, yeah. Good stuff. All right. Well, there's our box for the month. I'm so excited to see what you guys think. Share with me some of your favorite feelings, things that maybe I didn't see or you didn't see here but you like. Or just any questions you might have about our feelings, about the different plans, your options, and just any other questions you might have. We'd love to chat with you.